Hello guys, AL hardware what they are and way they matter in 2022. So artificial intelligence AI has been around for detect but limit access large data sets and lack of a pronet computing have restored AL development unit recently. The emergence of deep learning, cloud parallel computing, alternate, and the race for Spotify AL compatibilities such as speech, image, videos, and text recognition have accredited AI research. It is driving a new wave of investment in Platinum AI hardware capable of calculating application development. One of layers in the technology stack of affiliate artificial intelligence, such a stage memory logic. So damage AI chips or application specific hardware will increase by about 10 to 15%, rolling in marketing by base patches, owing to the constant growth in data availability, compute power, and developer ecosystem. Chip market are racing to build AI hardware to capture 40 to 50% of the total technology stack value, which is the best opportunity they had in received AL hardware type. The hardware used AI today mainly consists of one or more of the following: the CPU, general processing unit, central processing unit, CPU, graphics processing unit, field programmable gate array, application specific intelligence. Modern machine combine powerful multi-core CPU to solve parallel processing with detected hardware. GPU and FPGA are popular. This is dedicated. So where do we need cutting edge AL chip for AL? Because of its unique feature, AI chips are tens or even thousands of times faster and more effective to train and infer algorithms than CPU due to their gather effective for AL algorithm state of the art. AL chips are also significant more cost effective than stage of the art CPU and AI chips thousands of times effective as CPU provides on improvement requirement 26-year improvement load driven CPU overview of AL chip related technology video image sound and speech NL control natural network technology topology, deep neural network, network algorithm, machine learning algorithm, chip performance of, optimization, neurographic chip, programmable chip, system or chip article development tool chain, high bandwidth of chip memory, high speed interface, bionic device, new computing device, on chip memory, CMOS process, CMOS 3D stacking, new technology. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.